This is a 2020 Chevy Camaro. It's got a 4-cylinder turbo. We're going to do a rear muffler delete. You can see how it's got the factory single muffler, but a dual in, dual out. And put some nice black tips on there. Comes from a single exhaust off the factory cat and a turbo back to a split system. We're going to split it and leave it like that and just delete the rear muffler. Show you what it looks like here in a bit. Okay, so it looks a little different now. We got the black tips on there and got the rear muffler deleted as said. Like I said, we left it all stock up front. Splits off into dual straight pipes. Let's see what it sounds like. Well, that livened it up. It does have a rumble to it. Should be what the customer's looking for.